Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to walk around and also an interior video of this stunning BMW 4 Series we've currently got for sale. It's a 435d, so it features the brilliant 3-litre 6-cylinder diesel engine. It's also got the xDrive all-wheel drive system as well. It's 19 plate and it's covered just over 31,000 miles with just one owner from new. As part of this car you will get a minimum of 12 months warranty, 12 months roadside assistance as well with this car. Just off at the front, you've got these stunning BMW Icon adaptive LED headlights, which were a £1,200 option when new. So provide fantastic visibility in all conditions. Just down the side, you've got these stunning 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Sport braking system with the blue calipers as well. You've got heated and folding wing mirrors. Just jumping into the rear of the vehicle. You've got this absolutely stunning ivory white Dakota leather interior. It's also ISOFIX points for the outer seats as well for any smaller passengers. A couple of cup holders in the back there as well. This car comes front and rear parking sensors. There's also a rear view camera available on this car as well, to provide extra visibility while reversing. Mini convertible with a surprising amount of boot space as well. You can see there's plenty of room for any luggage such as suitcases or any golf clubs in the back there. Just jumping into the front of the vehicle there. Got your full electric seats with memory function as well, to store your favourite position. You've also got the optional air collar on this car as well, so it provides warm air, especially when you've got the roof down in cold conditions. Professional navigation system. Also a head-up display as well, another fantastic option. Just going to jump behind the wheel now, but if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now, you've got your cruise control settings on the left-hand side. Just behind there, you've got your high beam assist as well, just at the bottom, so automatically switch between dipped and high beam. You've got your different modes just on this beautiful digital display. So it changes depending on which driver mode you're in. Not sure if it appears on camera, but the head-up display just there. Provides information such as road sign recognition and your speed. Optional folding mirrors fitted to this car as well, another great option. And a stunning professional satellite navigation system. Your digital radio to keep you entertained on the move at all times. There's also multiple media inputs as well, so you've got USB inputs and of course your Bluetooth there. You can stream music and also make and receive your phone calls. There's a quick view at your rear view camera, so nice clear quality there. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control to keep driver and front passenger happy at all times. There's also the heated seats available there, it's a really fantastic option during winter months. A little bit further down the cabin now. You can see you get your roof buttons and also your air collar controls there. You've got 3 different stages on each. You can also see the beautiful ash grey and wood interior trim on this car. Another USB port just under the armrest there as well. And the fantastic harman kardon upgraded sound system. Sounds absolutely fantastic. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for a test drive, you can give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching this video and take care.